Hi all, we created a project named APMA under the guidance of Professor Atul sir, I, Pranit, along with Shruti, Omkar and Prathamesh. So the components required for the project are given on the screen. In the assembly, we would first require the Arduino Uno board along with the breadboard. So aside you can see the circuit diagram given to connect all the components used in the project. So the sensor which is currently being attached is the gas sensor, and now this is the DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor which is being attached to the breadboard. So now we would have to provide the ground from the Arduino board to the breadboard, and similarly the power of 3.3 volt from the Arduino board. So these are the pinouts of the gas sensors, and these are the pinouts of humidity sensors. Connect these pins to the Arduino board along with the LEDs to show the threshold limit of the given sensors. Now connect this Arduino board using the USB cable to the machine so that it can be programmed. So this is this Arduino software used for programming the Arduino board. After coding all the inputs and outputs, we will display these values to the serial monitor. Now verify this code to check whether it has any errors. Now as the verification got successfully completed, now upload this code to the Arduino board and wait until it uploads. Now you can see the air pollution monitoring system in the working condition. So you can see the values updating in the windows by the sensors. So whenever I place my hand, the humidity of my hand gets censored and red light gets appeared. This is the indication of increase in humidity. Similarly, when various air pollutant gases are being sensed by the gas sensor, it changes its color to red, and you can also see the changing values beside in the window.